Welcome to the assembly instructions video for this Donald Duck walker by Funride. Tools required: screwdriver, main body, tray, wheels, rattles, flowers, ball and half ring, duck toy, battery, seat, and parental push bar. Start by taking the main body out of the box and placing it on a flat surface. Insert the wheels into the rings firmly until they click into place. Fit the seat into the top section of the walker as shown. And secure the front part as well. Use a screwdriver to open the battery cover. Insert the batteries, making sure the polarity is correct, and then close the battery cover securely. Insert the flowers and ball into the ring. Add the half ring into the tray. Place the duck toy into position. Insert the rattles into their slots. Attach the parental push bar on the back side of the walker. Secure it in place using the butterfly nut. Your Donald Duck walker is now ready for fun. Happy walking!